welcome back to Emily's Upcycled Home. I'm Emily and I would like to thank you for joining me on today's video. On today's video, we'll be working with a lamp. So let's get started. Okay, so I went in my garage and I found a second item to work on. And this is just a little lamp. And it has this lampshade and a bulb. And I don't really want to keep it a lamp. So I'm going to twist this off. I'm just twisting this off. I'm just going to use the base, and I think, if you haven't noticed, if you follow me on my Facebook Marketplace or you've seen my products on any groups that I'm in, you notice my little niche here is risers. So I think we're just going to make this into a stand slash riser. And tool here, and I'm just gonna clip this. And then we're gonna take these pieces off. Is there like a bolt up here? I think there's a bolt. Maybe. It's kind of hard to see. But you know what? Just to get this cord out of my way, I'm going to go ahead and pull the cord out because I clipped the top. And the struggle is real. What is it? Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty? Okay, so I'm struggling here trying. Okay, yay, I did it. There was the bolt. And this shade, I am probably going to use for something else. So I'm going to keep that. This little piece will probably end up as something else also. Okay, so we got all our pieces. This is what it looks like. It's like a gold tone. It already has some chips here and stuff. So I'm gonna not worry about that. I'm gonna leave that in the painting. You won't be able to tell, but if that's gonna bother you, you can go ahead and fill that up with maybe a piece of molding from your paper clay or anything like that. But I think once this is all completed, you're not gonna really tell that that's there. And about this big old bolt that's cemented into, because this is like a plaster material, I'm going to cut that off. But right now, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to clean this up and we're going to get started painting. And I think I'm also going to do this white. Or maybe apothecary. I think I'm going to go with white and then the two-tone top. Okay, so the top is added and my camera was not on record. So I just drilled a bigger hole with my drill and fit the wood piece into on top of the screw and into it. And I glued it on for a secure fit or secure hold with E6000. And it's drying still because I'm impatient and I don't like to let things dry. And if you've watched me before, you know that already. But I'm gonna go ahead and paint this or stain this. And I actually think I need more brown paint into my mixture because I like it dark. Maybe for a different tone, I can put some black paint in there and see how that works. We'll go over and I'll probably just add a little number detailing here on the top. I think that would look cute, and that will be the finished thing for our lamp base. Okay, so I'm gonna call this segment things I forgot to mention. So on our lamp base project, the last thing I did before I stamped it and everything is I put a coat of Rust-Oleum sealer that I've showed you on previous videos, and then I buffed it out, and that was it. Thank you.